Shiyan 32, HY6. The China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, CASC, successfully launched on a southern trajectory a Chinese four-stage solid-propellant carrier rocket Long March 11H, LM-11H, CZ-11H, with the HY6 mission from special converted barge, Fang Hang Tian Gang, in offshore waters of Haiyang Port in the Shandong province in eastern China. This launch flew three Chinese satellites Shiyan 320103 to low Earth orbit, LEO. The flight took place on Saturday, November 8, 2025, at 21 hours and 1 minute Coordinated Universal Time, UTC, or on Sunday, November 9, 2025 at 5 hours and 1 minute China Standard Time, CST.
Shiyan, SY. Shiyan, SY, Pinyin, Shiyan, literal translation experiment, is a Chinese experimental satellite program consisting of a variety of test satellites. Given the classified nature of the satellites, Chinese government statements regarding the missions of Shiyan satellites follow the common refrain of agricultural monitoring and space environment observation, the same offered for other classified programs such as the Tongxin Jisha Shiyan, Yaogan, and Shijian programs. Alternatively named Tanchuo satellites, Shiyan satellites occupy varying orbits including low Earth, polar sun synchronous, geosynchronous, and highly elliptical orbits and are believed to accomplish a diverse set of missions from rendezvous proximity operations, RPO, to Earth imaging. Though similarly named, the Shiyan satellite program is not to be confused with the separate Shijian satellite program. Long March 11th, LM11, CZ11. The Long March 11th, LM11, or Changzhen 11, CZ11, as in Pinyin, abbreviated LM11 for export or CZ11 within China, and designated LM11H when launched from sea, is a Chinese four-stage solid-propellant carrier rocket of the Long March family, which is developed by the China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation. It was designed with the ability to launch on short notice, and it can launch from road vehicles, CZ11, and ships, CZ11H. The vehicle can be cold-launched from a launch tube mounted on a road mobile vehicle. The maiden flight of the Long March 11th occurred on September 25, 2015. The first sea launch occurred on June 5, 2019, from a converted barge stationed in the Yellow Sea. 17 launches have been made as of December 2023, 5 of them from sea. Dongfang Spaceport. The Dongfang Spaceport is a maritime launch center under the jurisdiction of Taiyuan Satellite Launch Center, TSLC, also known as Base 25. Its home port is in Haiyang, Yantai. It uses sea launch platforms to perform launch missions in the exclusive economic zone outside China's territorial waters or in coastal waters. It can accept launch missions from private commercial rockets. The first launch mission was serial number Hi-1 mission of Long March 11th, LM11, CZ11, on June 5, 2019, at 4:06 Coordinated Universal Time, UTC, which was successful in the Yellow Sea. The recent launch was the first launch of Gravity 1 on January 11, 2024, at 5:30 UTC, which was successful in the Yellow Sea. China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, CASC. The China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, CASC, is a main contractor for the Chinese space program. It is state-owned and has subsidiaries which design, develop and manufacture a range of spacecraft, launch vehicles, and ground equipment. It also has a division for strategic and tactical missile systems. CASC was officially established in July 1999 as part of a Chinese government reform drive, having previously been one part of the former China Aerospace Corporation. Various incarnations of the program date back to 1956.